Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to add a document using inward-outward register. You can add documents from client using inward-outward register. How to add a new document. To begin, head to Inward and Outward under the Client's Management tab. Now click on Add Document. Enter the necessary details including client name, document title, date of receipt, due date, etc. Now to add the document, click on Save Changes. Your document is successfully added. How to edit or delete a document. Now to edit the document, go to Inward and Outward and choose the document that you want to edit. Click on Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. Now to delete the document, click on Delete icon. And you are done. How to return a document. Now to return the document, go to Inward and Outward and choose the document that you want to return. Click on Return icon. Enter the necessary details including date of return, received by, given by, etc. Click on Save Changes. Thank you for watching.